In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy a car on Facebook Marketplace. If you're ready to find your next set of wheels and you want to do it from the comfort of your own home, you've come to the right place. Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic resource for discovering a wide range of vehicles that suit various needs and budgets. Whether you're hunting for a compact hatchback or a rugged SUV, Marketplace has you covered. Let's dive into the process and get you one step closer to your dream car. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Facebook. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account so you can take full advantage of the features we'll be using today. Once you're on the main Facebook homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll spot an option called Marketplace. Go ahead and click on that link. It's your gateway to a plethora of buying opportunities right in your local area. Now that you're inside the marketplace, you'll see a variety of categories listed. To narrow down your search specifically to automobiles, look for the vehicles category. Clicking vehicles will filter the listings to just show you cars and related transport options. Once you've done that, it's time to press on the next option called cars. This will further refine your selection to show solely car listings, a helpful step if you're specifically in the market for a car as opposed to trucks or motorcycles. The adventure doesn't stop here. From the list of cars, you can start getting more specific about what you're after. Think about what type of car you're looking for. Perhaps you're interested in a hatchback, so go ahead and select that option. This is where the fun begins because now you can explore different models, colors, and features. Consider details like mileage, model year, and any standout features that are important to you. It's all about what fits your style and needs. Once you've zeroed in on a car that catches your eye, you'll notice an option to send message to the seller. This is how you initiate negotiation and inquiry. Feel free to ask questions about the car's condition, past ownership, or anything else you're curious about. It's crucial to establish clear communication and get any doubts clarified. When the conversation leads to a mutual agreement, the next step is to set up a meeting with the seller. This is not only a chance to conduct a visual inspection, but also to arrange a mechanical checkup if needed. Don't forget the essential test drive to make sure the car performs up to your expectations. So there you have it. A full walkthrough of buying a car on Facebook Marketplace. Take your time, do your homework, and soon enough, you'll be cruising in your new ride. Happy car hunting!